Today is April 26th, 2009. This is Arthur getting his bath in preparation of going to see his cousin Johanna at Red Lobster in Jackson, where we're going to celebrate Johanna's 19th birthday. And here's Mommy.
So happy he's clean.
Who's a happy baby?
He's clean.
Who's a
He's
happy baby?
He's clean and happy.
Who's a happy
Yeah.
baby?
Look at that, got your neck. Too bad you won't laugh for us. Can you laugh? Can you laugh on camera? No, no laughing. Oh, no. He's almost laughing. It's the mad scientist.
It's alive!
Yeah, he's
There he is. He's a good little guy. He's a good little guy.
nice hair. Okay, time to go get dressed.
Say bye-bye.
Can you just calm down for a second and get your
Here's
diapers
Arthur,
on?
right after his bath, getting his diaper put on. He just spit up a big bunch and got himself all dirty again, but oh well.
Par for the course. Yeah. Who's got your neck? Who's got your neck? I got your neck. Who's that? Who's that? I got your neck. I got your neck. See, he's almost laughing.
Almost laughing.
Almost laughing. Over your head. Where's your head? I don't know if this melon is going to fit.
He looks like Elmer Fudd. Big giant
I
head.
think this is too... Your head is too big for this thing.
It won't go on? Come on.
I'm sorry, honey. Oh. Help. Okay.
Well, that was pretty frightening.
Yes,
But he's right back to smiling.
oh. This thing is so tight on.